Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best white under-sink organizer and storage solution available on the market: the REALINN 2-tier pull-out under-sink organizer. If you're tired of cluttered and chaotic cabinets under your sink, this product is designed to transform that space into a neat, accessible, and efficient storage area. The REALINN organizer is crafted with a heavy-duty metal frame, painted in a clean white finish that not only looks great but also resists rust and water damage, making it perfect for both kitchen and bathroom use. What sets this organizer apart is its clever L-shaped design. The narrow top tier and wider bottom tier allow it to fit around plumbing pipes and garbage disposals easily, maximizing the vertical storage space without getting in the way. This design means you can store taller bottles and containers on the bottom tier while still having easy access to smaller items on the top tier. One of the standout features is the sliding drawer mechanism. Instead of simply being shelves, these tiers function as pull-out drawers with smooth handles, making it incredibly easy to reach everything stored inside, especially items tucked in the back. No more awkward bending or digging around. Just a simple pull and everything is right there in front of you. Installation is a breeze and requires no tools at all. The organizer secures firmly with two non-slip suction cup options or double-sided 3M tape strips. This method not only makes setup quick but also avoids any damage to your cabinet surfaces, which is a huge plus for renters or anyone not wanting to drill holes. Despite being tool-free, the organizer remains stable and sturdy once installed, supporting up to 50 pounds of weight, so you can confidently store heavy cleaning supplies, toiletries, or kitchen essentials. The shelves have a grid designed to prevent water accumulation, ensuring everything stays dry and hygienic. It even comes with two removable rubber pads to prevent smaller items from slipping through or falling off the shelves. Cleaning the unit is straightforward too. Just wipe it down or remove the pads for a quick wash. Measuring 14.2 inches wide, 10.6 inches deep, and 11 inches high, the organizer fits most standard under-sink cabinets. It's compact but cleverly designed to maximize every inch of available space. Plus, it comes in a 2-pack, giving you the flexibility to organize multiple cabinets or share with a family member. Whether you want to organize your kitchen spices, cleaning products, bathroom toiletries, or laundry supplies, this versatile under-sink organizer can handle it all while keeping your space looking tidy and stylish. Its durable construction and smart design make it a practical investment for any home. That wraps up our detailed look at the REALINN 2-tier pull-out under-sink organizer. The best white under-sink organizer and storage solution for anyone looking to bring order to their cluttered cabinets. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and smart home organization ideas. See you next time.